it's magical to be able to channel all of your energy at this character. And we can fill with all of our hopes and dreams, and all of our love, and all of the innocence that we experience and then eventually lose and would like back.
This is following of the EAS company. If you are not turned... Oh, are you kidding me? Don't turn of your TV. Oh, for fuck's sake, you can't turn P. Don't do it again. There's a tornado coming your way if you... Oh, for fucking sake. If you do that one more time, you are gonna die for fun. That's it. Have fun getting you house teared apart by a world destruction.